Has this ever happened to you, where there's some program hiding in the background somewhere and you desperately are trying to find it and open it? It shows up as running, but for whatever reason you can't find it and click on it and use it. Well, there is a solution for that. All you have to do is just make sure you've selected onto the program you're trying to find, such as Task Manager here. And you can see that it's highlighted in gray here, meaning we've got it selected. You're going to hold Alt and press space, then release them both. Hit the M key for move. Hit one of the 4 arrow keys on your keyboard. I'm going to use the left arrow as an example. And this will snap the program to your cursor. Now you can move the mouse, and the program is stuck to your mouse tip, and your mouse cursor can never leave the screen, so this is really convenient. And then, once you've got the program where you want it, just left click to release it, and your program is there. And then from there you can double click on the title bar to make it full screen, or use the full screen button, minimize it, close it, you name it. Hopefully you found this short little guide useful. If you're looking for more short little guides, make sure to subscribe to this channel and check out our other content.